Hi there, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot if Maytag dishwasher not spinning. Let's dive in. The first one is to check the spray arm for blockages. Turn off the dishwasher and remove the bottom rack. Inspect the spray arm for any debris or buildup. Clean them with a brush or warm water if needed. The next is to inspect the dishwasher's motor. Turn off the dishwasher and unplug it from the power source. Inspect the motor for any visible damage or blockage. Test with a multimeter for continuity. The next is to check the pump and impeller. Turn off the dishwasher and unplug it. Check the pump and impeller for any debris or damage. If necessary, remove debris or replace the pump. The next is to inspect the dishwasher's belt. If your model uses a belt to drive the motor, check for any visible damage or wear. Replace the belt if necessary. The next is to check for dishwasher's control board. Inspect the control board for any visible damage or loose connections. If damaged, the control board may need to be replaced. The next one is to examine the water supply. Check for hose or kinks, blockages, or damage. Clean a clog or replace the hose if necessary. The next is to check for door latch. Ensure the dishwasher door is properly latched and secure. If the latch is faulty, it may need replacement. The next is to inspect the float switch. Check that the float switch is moving freely and is not obstructed. If stuck, clean or unstick it. The next is to run a diagnostics test. Refer to the dishwasher's manual to run the diagnostic cycle and check for error codes. If none of the above steps solve the issue, contact Maytag customer service for professional assistance. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.